Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is reading body language. Ladies and gentlemen, you might have experienced this thing in your life. Sometimes, when a person says something to you, you are clearly able to identify that whether the person is speaking truth or he is speaking false. Sometimes it happens. You are able to analyze that whether a person is making a fake statement or a genuine statement, and it happens because of the body language of that person. This is a fact of life, ladies and gentlemen, that spoken words can lie, but body language never lies. Your body language clearly tells people that what is there in your mind. That's why you need to take a very great care of your body language along with your speaking skills. Whenever you are speaking something, you don't speak it by mode of words. Your entire body speaks the same statement. You must keep this thing in your mind while talking to anyone, while giving presentation in seminar hall, while participating in any kind of group discussion. In all these scenarios, whenever you speak through your entire body. You don't only speak through your mouth. Your entire body is in coordination with your words, and that is known as body language. Sometimes, even when people do not speak anything, still, by their body movements, the other person can clearly identify that what lies in the mind of this person. This is the impact of body language, ladies and gentlemen. Body language plays a very crucial role in shaping up your personality, in shaping up your individual as well as professional personality. And if your body language is not in coordination with what you are speaking, if your body language is not in coordination with what words you are using, clearly the other person will come to know that you are making false commitment. Whenever you are saying something to anyone, if your body language is not in coordination with your words, people can clearly identify that you are making false statement. You are fooling them. In today's professional atmosphere, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to establish your credibility, your body language plus your spoken words, both these things should be in coordination with each other. And out of hesitation, sometimes it happens. It automatically happens. I must say that this is completely out of your control. Out of hesitation, since you are having a second thought in your mind that, okay, I am going to make this false statement in front of this individual, you are a little bit fearful. While expressing words in front of that person, you are a little bit fearful, and out of that fear, your body language says something else and your words say something else. And the other person can clearly identify that you are not a genuine person. You are not sure about your own words. How can you make commitment to some other person? You are not sure about the statement that you are yourself making. How should other person believe your statement? That's why, ladies and gentlemen, confident people are always confident about their body language and the words that they speak. And the only criteria of aligning your body language with your spoken words is you should speak truth all the time. If you are not speaking truth, your body language can never be in coordination with your spoken words. If you are hiding something, if you want to fool someone, if you want to cheat someone, your body language will never be in coordination with your words. But on the other hand, if you are genuinely approaching other people, if you are putting your genuine concerns in front of other people, if you are talking in a friendly way to some other people, to some other person, in that case your body language will be in perfect coordination with the spoken words, and the other person will always believe you. And when people believe each other, it leads to development of trust and mutual understanding. For success of any kind of communication, ladies and gentlemen, trust is important. Mutual understanding is important. If the other person is not having faith in you, he will listen to your proposal only for once, and next time he will say, I don't even want to meet you. Next time he will say, I don't even want to meet you. Because your body language has created a bad impression in front of that person. Your words can lie, your eyes cannot lie. Your hand movements, your body movements, they cannot lie. Ladies and gentlemen, people think that by speaking false statement they can fool anyone. But it is not true. It is not true. Either you don't make any false statement. That is far better. Because it is not going to spoil relationship of yours with other people. Ladies and gentlemen, body language should always be in coordination with the spoken words. We rarely realize this fact of life, that whenever we are making any false statement, our body language is saying something else. And people who are expert in identifying body language of other people, they can clearly judge that whether you are a genuine person or a non-genuine person, whether you are making false statement or you are making true statement. That's why please keep your body language in perfect coordination with the words that you are speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest fact of life, that people identify you at the very first place by your body language. By your body language, by the dress that you are wearing. And after that, they identify you by what you speak. This is the fact of life. Your first impression gets created in front of other people only by your body language, your gestures, your posture, your dressing sense. And all these things are non-verbal elements of communication. So the non-verbal elements of communication, they put first impression of yours in front of others. Spoken words always come next to it. That's why be very conscious about your body language, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you want to speak, your entire body should speak like that. If there is a contradiction between these two things, people are not going to believe you. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.